Hello everyone and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk and this is tip number 319, Website Authentication Key. In our last tip, we looked at the application ID and how the Entra ID application it is tied to is used as the identity Power Pages leverages to interact with Dataverse. In this tip, we talk about the Website Authentication Key, which is used to validate this identity. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. In very simple terms, you can think of the Website Authentication Key as the password for the Entra ID application used to connect Power Pages to Dataverse. The good news is, it's something you only need to think about once a year. When you first provision your Power Pages site, the Website Authentication Key is automatically created. However, like many passwords, it expires. Every year you need to renew it. You can check the expiration date in the Power Platform Admin Center. Go to your Power Pages site and click on Website Authentication Key in the Security area. You can also see it on the /_services/about page if you're logged in as an administrator. Thankfully, the renewal process, which is done in the Power Platform Admin Center, is pretty easy, but it does result in some downtime, so it's something you need to do manually. We'll look more at the process in our next tip. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 319 on Website Authentication Key useful.